Subscribe to Mystic Studio Productions and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video.
The abode of physicality is the most fundamental among all the five abodes of life. To understand all the five abodes of life, one must understand the abode of physicality. Then only can we understand all the other abodes of life. But how does this abode of physicality function? And what are its elements? Today in this video, we shall discuss and demystify it. I am Shomik and you are watching Mystic Studio Productions where Mystic Journey begins. The abode of physicality consists of five elements. These are the elements of the space, air, fire, water and earth. In the process of creation, the element to be formed first is the element of space. Space has in it the quality of space itself and also inherited in it the qualities of the element of air, fire, water and earth. In the human body, space is represented by the sensation of hearing. The next element to be formed is the element of air. Air contains in it the quality of air itself and also the quality of fire, water and earth. In the human body, air is represented by the sensations of touch. The next element to be formed is the element of fire. Fire also has in it the quality of fire itself and also inherited in it the quality of water and earth. In the human body, fire is represented by the sensation of vision. From fire is formed the element of water. Water also has the quality of water itself and also inherited in it the quality of earth. In the human body, water is represented by the sensation of taste. Finally is produced the element of earth. It is the last among all the five elements. In the human body, this element of earth is represented by the sensation of smell. Now if you notice carefully, these five elements can be broadly categorized into two types. Those who have the tendency to move upwards and those who have the tendency to go downwards. If you see earth and water, these two elements have the tendency to go downwards and the elements of fire, air and space has the tendency to move upwards. You also can see that these upper three elements are much more lighter and less dense, whereas the density increases in case of water and earth. If you hold a stone and release it, it would obviously go downwards. Same is the case for water. Water released from a height always flows downwards, it never goes upwards. Had the water flown upwards, then the principle of hydrostatics will be wrong. But it's from the fire element where the tendency to move upwards begins. Let's check it now. This is a candle. It is vertical. Now you see the flame carefully. The flame converges towards the top. Place your hand side to this flame. You will feel heat, but the heat is of much less. You can go till here. So close you are to the fire, but you won't feel that much of heat. You can see it. My hand is towards here. But now you place your palm at the same distance, but in the top position. You can't just go near it, because the fire is flowing upwards. You can feel the heat maximum in this position. You can even feel the heat from here. From this much distance you can feel the heat. But when you go from the side way, you go that much close, but you won't feel the heat. Also, the candle is vertical now, but let's make it horizontal. Now also you can see that the flame moves upwards. When we had made the candle horizontal, then the flame would have been flowing like this in the horizontal way, but that does not happen. Fire always moves upwards. The tendency of fire is to go upwards. It is a side-hand experiment to maybe just show that fire flows upwards. The next element, that is that of the air. Air is also much lighter. We are always all surrounded by air. If there is no pressure gradient form in the sideways, then air always flows upwards. Air is much more lighter. Scientists have not even reached the element of space. An element of space is very much complicated. Only the subject of quantum physics has a term called ether, but that itself also does not represent the 100% of space. In this universe, everything, every little thing which may be living or non-living are composed of these 5 elements. But the universe is diverse. How come this diversity comes if only 5 elements make everything? The answer is that the ratio and proportion in which these 5 elements are present in a particular substance varies from one to another, and that is the reason for the diversity which you see in this universe. Another interesting point is that these two categories of the elements, one going upwards consisting of the fire, air and space, and another going downwards consisting of earth and water, also can be classified as those which fall in the realm of the gods and those which fall in the realm of the demons. The upward moving elements fall in the realm of the gods and the downward moving fall in the realm of the demons. It is a bit mystical and mysterious, of course, but we'll come to that later. In the upcoming video, we'll be discussing about the abode of mind and what is the relation between this abode of physicality consisting of the 5 elements and the relation with the abode of mind. So keep watching Mystic Studio Productions. Like, share and subscribe it with your friends and family. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you for watching.